Got an 04 IS300. It's black. The paint's not perfect. It's all, you know, whatever. It's all screwed up for being old. But check this out. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. But the little dots are just from, you know, these are little acid spots. But all the lines and stuff like that. Somebody took a toy or something and just went all over the car. Or all over this door at least. I did wash it this morning. It's got a few water spots here. But hopefully the camera can pick that up pretty good. Today, I'm going to try out some of this Carfidant ultimate scratch remover. It's supposed to remove swirls too, which is it's a black car, so it's full of swirls. They actually make some of this for a black car, but I bought this one. This isn't for the black car. I want to see how well this one did. On Amazon, this one seems to have a whole lot more people buy this one on Amazon than on the black car one. So, kind of wanted to see what it would do as far as these scratches go. I mean, these scratches, you can't feel them with your fingernail, so they're just clear coat scratches. So, if you can feel your scratches with your fingernail, no matter how much compound or polish or remover or whatever you try, will not get rid of it. That's actually going to need some paint. Okay, so with these, this is all clear coat. So we're going to see how well this stuff does. Comes with a little buffing pad, and it just pretty much says, make sure you're not in the sun, make sure the panel's clean, then use like a couple of penny-sized drops on the pad and work it in circular motion until the scratches are gone. So I'm just going to buff it in a circular motion in this little spot here just to see. We'll do it for about 20 seconds. See what we got, and then I'll just wipe it off with a microfiber. Some of the scratches are a little deep, you can still see them. But for the first pass, it's definitely taking care of a bunch of them. There's still a little bit there, a little bit here, and there's all these other ones here. Alright, so I did this area right here. Let's see where I still have all the scratches. It's pretty much gotten rid of all those clear coat scratches that were all zigzagged all the way around here. Still has a little dots because there's a little acid spots. They're never going to go away. There's a little bit left there. So this stuff's really going to take out these clear coat scratches pretty easily, it seems like. If you don't have a buffer, this works pretty good. If you don't have a buffer, the sauce isn't very aggressive, so you really can't mess up. You just find the spots you need to work on and just rub them right out pretty much. It works pretty good. Rub off the rest of this and see what we got. It definitely has a polish in it. Alright, so here's the end result. Me just hitting it for about 20 minutes, circular motion as much as I could do. And trying to get some of that oxidation right there. Hopefully it comes up on the camera. But yeah, I got rid of most of all those little marks that those kids put over here. There's still a few, like little deep ones, and some of this stuff is really, really old. You can just kind of see some of the fingernail scratches there and there. Hopefully the camera's picking it up, but this Carfidant Ultimate Scratch and Swirl Remover, definitely, if you don't have a buffer, definitely get some of the scratches out of your car. Especially if you had some if you like brushed up against something and you got some marks, it'll definitely get it out. There's a few on my truck over here that I probably need to hit up real quick. Definitely some good stuff. I'm gonna go back over here. Somebody took a toy or something and just went all over the car. All over. Yeah. The majority of it's gone. This is probably some old stuff. There's still a little bit left there. And the more time I took, the more it would probably come out. So yeah, I'll leave a link down in the description box for some of this stuff if you want to check it out. If you like the video, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. You guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.